Namaste. I learned that the new academic year is going to start tomorrow. The new academic year with a difference. The difference is that the only online classes will be there and students have to learn everything from home. All is set for that. Due to the spreading of pandemic COVID-19, certain rules and regulations are made by the government and everybody have to obey that laws and regulations. So it will be really a different academic year. There will be no classroom activities. There will not be the excitement of reuniting after the long summer vacation, and there will be no togetherness in the classrooms. But again, we have to take this as a challenge, and you can do a lot of activities from home also. A more extra time will be there for you because the students need not have to uh, go to school and come back. So therefore the lot of time will be there and you can do a lot of innovative things. Some ideas will be there, you can do that. Some your talent you can develop from home. So let it will be a different academic year in which the students can develop their inherent talents, some other talents other than the book activities or only the classroom activities. So I wish that all of you can develop something extra in this new academic year. So dear students, staff, this year I will not be there as the principal of this institution, but Radhakrishnan Master will be there as principal instead of me, and he will perform his duty excellently. I know that excellently and effectively he will perform all the duties of the principal. My care, my prayer, and my support will be always there for you all. So, dear students, I just recall your activities the previous academic year. It is only to express that how talented you were and make sure that you have to develop that talent slowly so that you can make it very successful personality in future. The previous year academic year our students were in the forefront of all the activities, whether it is sports, whether it is arts, whether it is literary activities. At the same time, I observe that in the assembly, if the one of the class is doing some work, some activity, something they have to exhibit, something they have to display, then the other class will do the better than that or the more than that. So there was a competition between the classes and each and every students were involved in that. You all express your certain ideas in certain fields. Some excellent in painting, some excellent in drawing, some in writing, some in poeting. A lot of talent you have. So if that talents are there inside you, if you work hard and if you develop your personality, definitely you will be a successful person in future. So I expect all these qualities. That means a noble heart should also be there. The same way, the something to do for the society should be also there in your heart. Already you are talented. You just set a goal and work for that goal and work for the society also. Develop that tender heart, noble heart, which can listen the cries of the others, the pain of the others, and then do something for the society Have a great respect for your motherland. Have a great respect for your parents, family members, teachers. This kind of personality, if you develop and you work hard, you can achieve anything in future. And in our Vidyaniketan schools, generally these all qualities are instilling slowly, day by day, and making all the students the excellent one. So I hope in this academic year, even though you will not be in the school, you will develop all these qualities from home, and parents have to assist that. Parents have to support them. They have to give the direction and guidance for making them an ideal personality. So this opportunity I am also taking to express my sincere thanks to all my fellow teachers who worked with me and gave me all support and cooperation. I'm very thankful to you all. I love each one of you so much. And I'm happy and fortunate that I also get the love and support and care of you all. So, dear one, dear staff, even though I am not here, I am not there, my prayers will be always for you. Definitely. I recall all these 4 beautiful days and these 4 beautiful years, and that beautiful years will be always in my memory. So this academic year will be full of new challenges to all the staff. The new way of teaching, the new method of communication, all you have to develop, and you have to be safe in home. Should be safe from this pandemic, but at the same time you should be active also. So I hope that you will develop these all qualities, and all the best for you all. Once again, my prayers and support and my care, everything will be for you all. So thank you very much.